Hello and welcome to our CS407 app called FoundIt. It was designed to improve on the current lost and found system by using mobile devices along with a database to match people's lost items with found items that are stored on that database. Now we're going to start by adding a found item, and it will ask for specific information about that found item, such as what kind of item it was, where it was found, what color it is, where it was turned in. You'll take a picture of the item along with providing a brief description of the item and where it was found. So now let's say I found a water bottle in the Mac lab of the computer science building. I'm going to go to type, click water bottle, location. I'm just going to estimate here. I want to zoom in all the way. You click and hold on the map to place a pin, and that will be the location. Now the colors, it'll select these little sliders. This provides a quick and easy way to see what colors are selected or what aren't selected. Now we're going to set a turn-in location. Take a picture. We have one stored here locally. Provide a brief description and say this water bottle was found in front of computer 10 in the Mac lab of computer sciences. Select done. Then you'll click add found item, and this will store it remotely to the database. So now let's say we've lost an item and we want to add it to our phone so that way it can search the database. So that way we'll click add lost item. It's going to ask for similar information such as what item it was, where it was lost, and what color. So now we can click on type, click water bottle. Now let's say I lost that water bottle that was just found by somebody else. I want to enter in the location. And the color. So now it will show up here in your lost items table on the home screen. Now the database search is based on a radius from the lost location, which can be set in the settings. Here's the search radius from the lost location. It can be set from between 0 and it goes all the way up to 30. Now if there's an item that you lost but it wasn't supported by the list, you can click this button here to request to add an item type. And this brings up an email and will send us an email if you think that an item should be added. But we will set search radius to 15. Go back home. So now if you click on the lost item, it will bring up all the matches of water bottles that are stored in the database. So we can check this list of lost items. Like this item wasn't lost here. It was found somewhere else. But it's a different water bottle that matches the criteria that we sent to the database. So we can check each one of these. So here we go. This was found in the Mac lab and computer science building. So we can take this item. If this is the item, then we can click the found to see if it verifies that was where it was lost. And then we can go to turn in, which shows where the item was turned in on the map. So we can zoom into the map location, go to that location, find where the lost and found is, and get our lost item. So as soon as we get our lost item, we click FoundIt, which means retrieved by the person who had lost it. Now clicking FoundIt and clicking OK will delete this item locally from the phone along with deleting the item that is stored in the database. So now the water bottle goes away and you found your lost item. The reason we had the found item put in the turn-in location was if the item was lost in an area that wasn't really close to anything, like for instance, if it was lost in the woods or if it was lost around a lot of buildings it could have been turned into. This way it helps us let people know of where the item was turned into, so that way they don't have to go to various different buildings to search for their lost item when they can just enter it into their phone and then it'll tell them right away. And that is the demo of our app. Thank you for watching.